Hi everybody, Craig Doty here for High Performance Systems. In this video we're going to take a look at an installation that was done for the commissary of the Fort Hamilton Army Base in Brooklyn, New York. The entrance and exit vestibules of the commissary were slated for new flooring, and a methyl methacrylate flooring system was specified because of how quickly it cures. Because the commissary is only closed on Mondays, a fast-drying material was needed to get the job done in the shortest amount of time possible. Because of the extremely short cure times, we were able to do the prep in the Cove base on our first Monday and return the following Monday to install an entire 5-coat system in one long day. A 5-coat chip broadcast system like this one, when done with an epoxy, would generally take about 5 days to install because the epoxy needs 8 to 12 hours cure time in between each coat, whereas the MMA dries in about 1 hour. The first coat to go down is the MMA primer, and like I said, this coat will dry within 45 minutes to an hour after application. The next coat to go down is the first broadcast coat. This coat goes directly over the primer, and a layer of vinyl chips is broadcast into the wet resin. Once the first broadcast layer is cured, all the excess chips are swept and vacuumed up, and a second broadcast layer is applied, and once again, more chips are broadcast into this layer. This second broadcast layer is again allowed to cure, and then all the chips are once again swept and vacuumed up, and then 2 top coats are applied to finish off this 5-coat system. This MMA chip flooring system is designed to provide a terrazzo-like appearance with the benefits of a seamless floor. It's a nominal 16th-inch overlay system composed of the 5 coats I've just mentioned, the primer, 2 broadcast coats, and 2 top coats. This type of system can be used for indoor and outdoor applications because it's UV resistant. It also has resistance to chemical attack and meets USDA and FDA requirements and is suitable for use over a wide temperature range, even below freezing. These features make MMA flooring suitable for pharmaceuticals, laboratories, clean rooms, manufacturing, locker rooms, restrooms, grocery stores, retail, and much more. If you'd like to find out more about MMA flooring, epoxy flooring, or any other type of resinous floor coatings, please give us a call at 1-800-928-7220 or visit our website at www.highperformancesystems.com.